What's good, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Les Gang. Today, y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, I'm gonna be sneezing on people in public type shit. So I know this shit about to be funny. I'm about to get people reaction, y'all know what I'm saying? I got the little spray bottle right here. Just be sneezing on people and see how they see their reaction and shit. Oh, my bad. Did I get on you?
Yeah.
Huh? I got on you?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
What the fuck, bro?
Oh, my bad.
Bro, what?
My bad.
You did that on purpose. That's so fucking nasty.
I'm just playing.
That got on my fucking face. You have a mask on.
My bad.
Why are you laughing?
It's water.
What the fuck?
Oh, my bad.
Boy.
Huh?
What did you do that for?
My bad. Y'all good?
Yeah.
It got on you?
Yes, you sneezed on me.
Where?
Like all up on my top of my head, bro.
Oh, my bad. Oh, my bad. Huh? It got on you? Oh. Oh, it got on you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where it? I mean, you just in my way. My bad. You good? He mad. Huh?
Come here.
What? It got on you?
Yes. Like, are you serious?
Oh, my bad. It was,
on purpose.
it was water.
No, but you did it on purpose.
My bad. Huh?
Bro, ain't no. Bro, what was that?
What?
Bro, ain't no way we on this shit right now, bro.
What?
Nah, bro.
What happened? It got on you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Y'all was in my way.
Nah, you good, bro. You good.
What?
Bro.
Bro, like you about to crash
out.
out.
TikTok, bro.
Shut up, bro. We're just
Nah, I know, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Huh?
What's up?
What?
Why you sneezed on my neck, bro?
You said what?
Why you sneezed on my neck?
Oh, you was in my way.
Shit, man.
My bad.
Was it a spray?
It got on you?
Huh?
It got on you?
Bro, shit.
Huh?
You mean it got
Where
on
is
me?
it?
Out of my neck, bro.
Stop it playing, bro. This is water. It is water, bro. It got on you? Huh? It got on you? Did it get on you?
Yeah.
Huh?
My neck.
Where? Oh, my bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. You straight? Okay. My bad. It got on you? Huh? You good? Yeah, it got on you?
I just play those games, man.
Huh?
I just play those games, okay?
My bad, bro. I'm just really sick, man.
Okay.
Try to drink this water. It is water. You good, bro? Come on. You good?
I'm good.
You good?
You scared the shit out of me.
What?
What you recording this?
You scared the shit out of me.
What? Huh? You said what? My bad. Oh, my bad. Did I get on you? Huh?
I'm so sorry.
Oh, shit. They got on you? Huh? Did it get on you? Oh. Alright, y'all, man, that's the end of the video, man. I did hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, my man trying to bring banger ass videos for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? We did get a couple funny reactions in that vid. So, if y'all want more videos like this, man, y'all smash the motherfucking subscribe button, turn on post notifications. We trying to hit 2K subs before 2025, so we trying to bring y'all about to see banger ass content And yeah, I will catch y'all on my next video. I'm out. Love y'all.
Okay, bye.